Welcome to our video featuring the Loyoda Shower Chair with arms, designed for safety and comfort. Made from sturdy aluminum alloy, this shower bench supports up to 350 pounds and resists rust with drainage holes in the legs. It includes non-slip soles and padded armrests with back support to ensure secure and comfortable use. The seat height adjusts in 1-inch increments to fit your exact needs for a perfect shower experience. Assembly is quick and easy, requiring no tools and comes with clear instructions. Its padded handles and backrest provide excellent balance and support for seniors or anyone with limited mobility. Enjoy a safer, more comfortable shower with this thoughtfully designed shower chair. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.